In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restore deleted photos on your Samsung phone. So if you have gone ahead and deleted a photo and you want to restore that photo, it's a very simple process. And what happens is if you delete a photo from your phone, it goes into your recycle bin on your phone, which is held there for 30 days. And then after that, it'll be permanently deleted. So if I go into my gallery, and then I go out of here and then I just select a photo. Let me select this photo right here and then I hit the trash can icon to delete it. It says there move to recycle bin. So now the photo is gone from my gallery. But now if I go back into my gallery and go back again. Once you're on the main page of your gallery, at the bottom right hand corner there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 lines and then you have an option that says recycle bin right over there. Tap on recycle bin and now at the top is the photo that I just deleted with a countdown of 29 days. So if I want to restore this photo, all I would need to do is tap on this button right here. Kind of looks like an arrow pointing to the back. Tap on that and the photo will be restored. So I can go back into my gallery and there's the photo in my gallery back in again. So that is how you restore a deleted photo on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.